everyone, it's me, Krista. Long time no see. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for October 2021. I'll give you a hint, it is ink themed. As always, we got a cute little sticker, this one in the shape of an ink jar. We got our cute little example of what can be done with the art supplies in this month's box. This one is by Dennis Brown. Dennis Bagger 43 Brown was born in the Philippines in 1983, raised in different parts of Asia, Japan, Okinawa, Hawaii, and the Philippines, and studied illustration at Ringling College of Art and Design from 2001 to 2005. Currently, Dennis resides in San Francisco, working full-time as a designer, and his free time puts his energy towards developing works for gallery shows and other self-generated art projects. Now to get into the actual art supplies, I'm going to start with the paper. We got some custom ARNHEM cotton pad paper. It is hot press 245 GSM 4x6. There are 12 sheets and it is in warm white. Thick and absorbent, this paper allows for crisp ink lines and textured effects. The retail price for this is normally $6.98. This is the paper that I'll be using for all swatching since it's what came in the box. They gave us a nice little pencil to sketch with. This is a FABER-CASTELL 9000 2H pencil. Every time I read the 9000, it makes me think of a robot for some reason. Skynet's coming to get us through this pencil. This hard lead pencil is great for sketching and offers minimal smudging. Retail price for this is normally $1.80. These are nice pencils. These are nice pencils that are great for sketching, especially with the hardness that we have here. Now on to the ink. The first bit of ink we have is a KURETAKE BIMOJI FUDE brush pen. A unique twist on a classic brush, this navy pen offers a lot of versatility in the lines it creates. The retail price for this is normally $5.40. I love the color and I think it applied really well. We got another kind of marker, is another KURETAKE item. It is a Futaho Kabura number 30. This dual-tipped black brush pen contains a traditional brush tip on one side and a fine liner on the other. The retail price for it is normally $8.50. I really like it. I think it's versatile. I love double-tipped pens like this, and I think you can get a lot of wonderful effects with it. The following item we have is a paintbrush. It is specifically a Princeton angle shader in 3/8. This brush allows for thin lines and is great for filling in large areas with ink. The retail price for it is normally $7.95. I do really like angle brushes because you can get some beautiful fine details with that tip there, but you can also cover large parts of a piece of paper. We got more ink. This is a SPEEDBALL copper ink and it is a custom one. We worked with SPEEDBALL to develop this metallic ink which offers a rich accent to the other inks in this month's box. The retail price is normally $3. I didn't shake it up very well before using it. I'm not really getting a lot of a metallic feeling from it, but maybe I need to shake it up more for that to show up. I greatly appreciate that they gave us some colors in this ink box and not just straight up black or gray ink. Of course, no October box is complete without a jar of black ink. This time we got a SENNELIER India ink. Use this 30ml bottle of rich black ink to fill in flat areas with the brush or dilute it with water to create varying values. The price for this is $11. I do love how deep and dark and opaque it is straight out of the jar. I dipped the paintbrush right into that bottle, applied it to the paper, and then, after I have my base layer down, I went into a cup of water in between and diluted it on the paper itself in order to get varying hues. Another way you can do this is to grab a palette that has little depressions in it, put some ink in each little spot, and then add varying amounts of water to it. The final item we got in this month's box is a Sakura Jelly Roll medium white gel pen. The best white gel pen available, perfect for adding thin lines or correcting edges. Retail price for this is $1.49. I will disagree with this being the best white gel pen. My personal favorite is the Uniball Signo white gel pen. Let me know in that comment section down below what your favorite kind of gel pen is. With that, this unboxing and these swatches are all done. I look forward to seeing what I can make with the stuff in a later video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope to see y'all soon. And bye-bye, everybody!